Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you're looking to edit your activity goals on your Apple Watch, you're in the right place. Whether you want to push yourself a bit more or dial it back, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust your move, exercise, and stand goals. Let's get straight into it. First, start by opening the Activity app on your Apple Watch. This app might also be called the Fitness app, depending on your settings. Once you're in the app, you'll see your activity rings, which track your move, exercise, and stand goals. To make adjustments, swipe up on the screen or use the digital crown to scroll down to the individual sections for calories, workouts, and stand hours. When you get to the bottom, you'll see a button labeled Change Goals. This button looks like a circle with a plus and minus sign inside it. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, let's start with the Move goal. This goal tracks the number of active calories you burn each day. To adjust it, simply use the plus, or minus buttons to increase or decrease the calorie target. Once you're happy with the new number, tap Set to save your changes. Next is the Exercise goal, which measures the minutes you spend doing moderate or more intense activity. Just like with the Move goal, you can adjust the target by using the plus, or minus buttons. After you've set the right amount of workout minutes, tap Set to lock in your new goal. Finally, we have the Stand goal. This goal is all about making sure you stand and move around at least once every hour throughout the day. To change it, adjust the number of hours using the plus, or minus on buttons. Once you've made your choice, tap OK to save your settings. And that's it. You've now customized your activity goals to better fit your lifestyle. Whether you're aiming to be more active or giving yourself a bit of a break, adjusting these goals is a great way to stay on top of your health and fitness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Apple Watch. See you guys later.